good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the new Polestar O2 concept. The Swedish performance EV brand Polestar has a new hero car, and it's a convertible hardtop that promises a thrilling driving experience with all the benefits of electric mobility. Now, the styling of this concept is clearly inspired by that of the Precept concept car. Now, although the design language has evolved, you can't help but to notice the low and wide body stance, compact 2+2 cabin design, small overhangs, and a reasonably long wheelbase. And some of its design features actually are practical, like the laminated ducts that improve the airflow over the wheels and body sides. The taillights, meanwhile, also function as air blades to reduce turbulence behind the car. Now, in terms of driving dynamics, this is a new concept and is set to feature tight body control, high rigidity, and intuitive dynamics, all inherent benefits of its bespoke bonded aluminum platform adapted by the Polestar 5. Now, inside is all about sustainability and recycled materials such as recycled Polestar or new thermoplastic monomaterial used to manufacture different components. Now, the aesthetics of the cabin are clearly very minimalistic, but also modern, which you should expect from all Polestar products going forward, although that's been the case so far too when you look at the models such as the Polestar 2. Now, there's this so-called autonomous driving cinematic drone, which is integrated behind the rear seats and was developed in collaboration with Hoco Flow and can be deployed even when the car is moving to record the perfect driving sequence. Now, the drone operates autonomously, following the car automatically at speeds of up to 56 miles per hour or 90 kph. Now, the driver can also choose between an atmospheric sequence, good for coasting and cruising, and also a more action-filled sequence with a sportier expression. And after the drone is done filming, the drone returns to the car autonomously, and the video clips can be used and edited and shared directly from the vehicle's 15-inch infotainment display. So now I'm trying to figure out, what do I like better, the car or the drone experience? I'm not exactly sure. It could be a gimmick, but either or, this Polestar Roadster is something that we're going to have to keep our eyes on in the next coming years. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Polestar O2 concept? And would you like it better top down or top up? Which way are you riding? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about this drone-inspired Polestar O2 concept. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much, guys. Now, you can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, hoodies, tank tops, stickers, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.